Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about the Kubernetes users. Everybody know that the Kubernetes doesn't have one object users, but where does our Kubernetes user store it? When I use the kubectl command, I get some object, okay? I need to authorize my user, authenticate my user, but where is my user? This is a question. So some people assume that the kubectl, we should have some comments like this, kubectl get users, but unfortunately, there is no such command to get the users. So we cannot use this. There's no such command. But when we use the kubectl command, there's one kubectl config file, which is located at the home directory. There's a kube folder, and under that, there's a config file. Let's view this file. Yeah, this file contains 3 sections. The clusters. Currently, I have only 1 cluster. My server is this IP address. My server, the cluster name is Kubernetes. I have users. User name is Kubernetes admin. I have user client certificate and client key. And I have a context. My current context is Kubernetes admin user and with this Kubernetes cluster. Okay, now we know we have the users. This user have client certificate, client key. But where is my username? These users have one name, but is this the username in Kubernetes cluster or not? I will show a demo to clarify this. Okay, let's view this config file, the kubectl config file. Okay. Kube. Yeah, this is my kube config file. Okay, then we have this client certificate data. But this stored at base 64 format. Let's decode it. I code this. I pipe it to base 64 dash decode. Okay, let's save it as a file. We call it my user.cert. Okay, then we get user.cert. Yep, I have one. I can see my this user.certificate file. But okay, now let's view this certificate. I can use the open SSL command. X509. Can use no out text in is user.cert. Yeah, I can view this certificate, use the open SSL command. So I can see that this is my certificate data. The issuer is Kubernetes. The common name is Kubernetes. If you see here, my subject, okay, the common name is Kubernetes admin. This is my username, which is used in the Kubernetes class, which are also used based on this name. You can define the, your role, cluster role banding, cluster role banding. So this is a very important field. That's it. I hope it helpful. Now you know that where is the Kubernetes username, how you can see it. Thank you, everybody.